Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Photos and heading straight to Albums. Once there, find Recently Deleted. You do this because Photos keeps removed images for up to 30 days, giving you a temporary recycle bin. Next, tap Recently Deleted and scan thumbnails for what you need. Make sure to use Select to choose items. Recover restores to your library, while Delete removes them permanently. This step gets you immediate access to most deleted photos without digging into settings or backups. Once done with Photos, move on to other built-in apps that have their own recycle bins. You should open Notes and tap Folders, then open Recently Deleted to restore notes. Items there persist for 30 days. Then open Files, tap Browse, and look for a Recently Deleted section or check the On My iPhone location. Also check Mail's trash for any AMAP or Exchange accounts. Deleted messages often live there briefly. These steps cover most native Apple storage areas. To finish, recover any selected items back to their apps or tap Delete to free space. Recovered items return to their original locations. If you can't find something on the device, sign into iCloud. Calm and check Photos, Notes, and Files there because iCloud can hold items even if local storage is cleared. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so recoveries propagate. Troubleshooting tip: if an item's missing, check recent backups and ensure the correct Apple ID is signed in before assuming permanent loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.